If you want to add a photo to a contact on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, first we need to go to the phone app. Of course, we want to go to contacts in the bottom right corner, and then you want to select the contact for which you want to add a photo. There we go. Now tap on this pen icon in the top right corner, and then we can tap on the picture logo here in order to add the picture. You can also choose to take a photo first by using the camera, or you can go to gallery in order to choose the photo from the gallery. And then once you select it, you can of course adjust the photo. You can zoom in, zoom out, and reposition so that the photo or the subject of the photo can be in the center. And then you can also rotate the photo if you want to. Press choose at the bottom, and then we can save by pressing save button in the top right corner. And there we go. Now, if you have a contact saved, if you have the contact saved on your SIM card, then in that case you want to be able to set up the photo. So it is important to recognize if the contact is saved on a SIM card. If it is, then we need to move it to the phone storage or Google account or any other storage that is not a SIM card. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!